I know we need reverb, but I'm scared. I think I have cave mode on. Twice. Oh, what was that? I love pushing random buttons on the GoXLR and seeing what happens. Look what you made me do. Look. Okay, okay. Is this my cave reverb? Sounds kind of cavernous. rather than singing-esque, idol-esque. It's chapel. Are we singing in the chapel? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Okay. Is this normal? I don't know what normal reverb is. What is normal reverb? Is this normal? Is this too much? Do I want to sing in the library? Oh. Oh. Wah wah wah. Wah 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 wah. Dark bloom. Ah ah. Wah wah.